In this video, I'm going to give a brief tutorial on how to download TaxTron T1 Netfile for a Mac machine. First, you're going to head to our website taxtron.ca and navigate to the download section. You're then going to scroll down and click on Download TaxTron for Mac. Keep in mind our software is supported by Mac OS 10.9 or higher. Once the .dmg file is done downloading, you can then open it. Double-click the TaxTron setup icon, click OK, and then follow the instructions on the screen. Select your language, accept the terms of service, select the install path and install. Your TaxTron T1 Netfile software has now successfully been downloaded. For more information, you can check out our website or take a look at some of our other videos. Thanks for watching.